What is up, YouTube? We finally got access to TopstepX, Topstep's new trading platform. This is the first platform developed by a prop firm. And guys, let me tell you, it is about to take over the industry. And I'm going to jump into the charts and show you exactly why. So let's go ahead and jump into it because I'm tired of talking. Let's jump into the chart. This is TopstepX. This is the platform. This is the dashboard. This is where you got everything right in front of you as a trader. Visually, I love this. Now, this chart is integrated with TradingView. So any TradingView indicators you would normally use are here inside the platform. You go up to the indicators, click on it, and you have all your TradingView indicators. Now, there's still a lot more to be added. Not everything is in here yet, but we can just go ahead and add our VWAP real quick. Check out our VWAP line. There we go. Now, again, TradingView integrated. You don't have to have separate browsers or windows or whatever to have your TradingView charts. I think that is absolutely massive for traders, and it's going to be huge because it just makes things a lot easier. You have everything up here that you need right in front of you. You have your daily drawdown, your P&L, what you're up or down on the trade, how much you're up on the day, your maximum loss, what you can lose on the account total before you lose it, your balance. And this tool I really love because I can click this drawdown and choose exactly what I want to trade. Right, I can choose oil, NASDAQ, S&P, Dow, whatever. I love this, man. I love this because I can just hop right in to whatever I want to trade, not type the ticker, whatever, just click the drop down and bang, it's right there in front of me. Massive, huge, Topstep, good job on that. Now, let's jump into the tilt. We'll get into position orders here in a little bit. Let's jump into the tilt. I love this down here. Wait, where'd my tilt go? Okay, hold on, I gotta add it back. Let me get out of this. There we go. I love the tilt here. S&P 500, 60% short, 40% long. NASDAQ, 58% short, 42% long. Crude oil, 52% short, 48% long. Gold, 48% short, 52% long. I love this because I can see exactly which way the market's kind of leaning. I think that's absolutely freaking huge. Love that. And then, of course, you have your accounts, your positions, your orders, trades, what all you've traded and put on. Here's all your orders of what you've traded. Everything right in front of you. Now, let's put on a position real quick. This is let's see, we're on the NASDAQ. How are we looking though? We're very, very bearish. I'm just gonna put on a short. We're catching a little bit of a buy up, but I'm gonna put on a short right here. Now, I just, now this was a limit, but you can market or limit in, however you want to do it. I marketed in. Check this out. I love this, right? I can drag this up just like that to set a stop loss. Tells me exactly how much I'm risking. And then I can drag this down to show me exactly how much I'm going to make. I think that is absolutely huge. That is showing me that I'm risking 165 and it's showing me I can make 330, right? I think that's huge. I absolutely love that because you don't have to do the math. You don't have to set a stop loss, set a take profit or whatever, and then be like, okay, well, I'm risking this amount of points, so that means that's this amount of money. I love the fact that it shows you right here in front of you, telling you how much you're risking and how much you have the potential to make. I think that's absolutely huge. So I do love that. Topstep, good job on that. And then of course, if I wanted to move this stop loss down to break even, all I got to do is drag it down. Another cool feature is this button right over here, right? This reverse button. Say you get into an entry and you're like, you know what? I think I was wrong. I think the market is going to go a separate direction than what I initially thought. You can just reverse positions. Once I click this button, it will take me long one contract and my risk will be moved down to here and my take profit will be moved up to here, but it'll keep the same parameters. All right, so my risk will still be 165. I'll still make 330. It'll just flip-flop everything for me. I just think that's super cool. Like, that's just freaking amazing because there are times where I get into a position, I'm like, you know what? I got short, probably should be long, and I could just reverse this position. Or if you accidentally get into a short instead of a long, you just reverse it real quick. I think that's super handy. Another thing that I really like on this platform is they are going to allow copy trading. If I go into settings here, you can see copy trading. All you do is select your accounts that you have, and you can tell it how much you want to risk, how much you want to make, your daily drawdown, whatever, and you can choose or you can copy trade between all of your accounts. I love to copy trade. I usually do have multiple accounts that I trade between. So when I do get more accounts under TopstepX, I will be adding them in here and doing some copy trading. So I think that's super, super cool. Absolutely love that. Now, Topstep TV. They do integrate Topstep TV into their platform. I do like watching them as I'm trading or having them up in the mornings. and just tuning in here and there if I'm not trading. So if you want to watch Topstep TV, just click on the little TV button here, Topstep TV, and boom, they got them right there. And they got Justin on here. I watch him on TikTok sometimes. But yeah, if you ever want to tune in Topstep TV, just click on that button and it pops it up right there in front of you. Super, super cool. But overall, I don't have anything bad to say about this platform. I think they've done a very good job with this. And if I'm being quite honest, I think this platform is going to take over. Now, this is only exclusive to Topstep. Oh, and one other thing, they do have a direct feed to the CME group. So all the data they're getting is directly from the CME, right? They're not getting it from third party or whatever. The CME group is feeding data directly into TopstepX. So I absolutely love that. And I think that can avoid a lot of issues. And speaking of issues, we know we've had those problems with Tradevate in the past and Rhythmic, whatever. Well, if there's any issues, you're working with Topstep directly, right? You're working on Topstep's platform, Topstep directly. They can jump in and fix whatever they need to fix like that and not have to rely on other platforms. I'm telling you, Topstep knows what they're doing because they know what they know traders want. Just a platform that gives them everything they need as a trader. It doesn't give any issues and it's easy to trade. And I think they're doing just that. One thing I didn't cover is you do have the DOM and the time and sales. I watch time and sales quite a bit. DOM for level 2. I use both. I really do love time and sales because I can see how big, if the big orders come through at what price and what time. I usually try to customize this to show me like minimum 20 size and up. I don't know if you can do that here just yet, but that might be something they implement in the future if it's not already. But like I was saying, I think Topstep has done a lot of things right. And for this to be a beta version, I'm excited for the future on what TopstepX has because one, it doesn't feel like a beta version. Like I know there's still a lot of things they need to add and implement and change or whatever, but it doesn't feel like a beta version. I feel like I can just hop in this and trade and everything's fine. So they did it right. They did it right. And I'm excited to see what happens in the future here. And, you know, if things continue the way they are, I think Topstep is going to take over with this platform. My trade did end up getting stopped out there because we caught a buy up. So, but anyways, Topstep, good job. I think this is great. I'm going to be using this. I do have some Tradevate accounts, but I will be trying to figure out a way to switch over to TopstepX because I absolutely love this platform. Good job, guys. So if you guys like this kind of content, be sure to smash the like button down below. Subscribe to the channel if you want more daily content, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers.